Do you want to know how you can add contacts on Duolingo? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add contacts on Duolingo. Just go ahead and open Duolingo, which is on your phone, or if you don't have the app yet, just go ahead and download it on the Play Store if you are using Android, or download it from the App Store on your iOS device. So after you open Duolingo, just go ahead and go to your profile and click on Add Friends. You can see Find Contacts. Go ahead and click on Find Contacts and click Allow. You can see in a while the contacts which are available on Duolingo. Make sure you do have contacts seen on your phone, otherwise no friends will be shown on your Duolingo app. Wait for a while as Duolingo is processing and click Find Contacts again. After a while, your contacts will be loaded up. You can see there are a lot of contacts who have joined Duolingo. You can see Follow All option. If you click on it, every one of your contacts will be sent a friend request. You can see that this is the easiest way how you can add contacts on Duolingo. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.